Hi, this is the first video of Typescript tutorial series. So in this video, I will explain what Typescript is, how it actually works, and I'll show you how to work with it in your local machine. So basically TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. So it is built upon this language and it comes with a compiler. So it's basically JavaScript with some modern features. We cannot run TypeScript on web browser or JS runtime, in your local machine. So to run our TypeScript code, we have to compile it to JavaScript again and then run using that JavaScript. So you might ask why then we should learn or use TypeScript. There are many reasons behind it. The first one is to get compile time errors during development time. And we can also get more and more code intelligence. We can also use modern syntax and features that other language also has access. We can also use object-oriented programming concepts to structure the code better than JavaScript. So these are the main reasons to use TypeScript, and this is the theory. Now let's practically see how to work with TypeScript or how TypeScript actually works. First, head over to nodejs.org and from here download the Node.js runtime by clicking this button. Now after you have installed Node, go to your command palette, not PowerShell, please select command prompt. So here run node-v. So in my case my Node version is 18.18.0. In your case it will be higher than this number, and after that head over to typescriptlang.org. We will install TypeScript also. So click here, try TypeScript now, and we will try it on our computer. So click here, and here you will find the instruction to install TypeScript. So we will run this command npm install -g TypeScript to install it globally in our local machine. So copy this command and run it in your command palette. I've installed this, so I will not run this. After installing the TypeScript, let's check the version of the TypeScript. So you can run tsc-v to check the version. In my case it is 5.3.3. I'm actually using Visual Studio and the integrated terminal to run this. You can run this command from your command palette or terminal. Now let's write a TypeScript file. So here I'm inside test folder. Let's create a TypeScript file. So here I will add app.ts. So ts is the extension for TypeScript file. Let's enter this and let's write some code here. So I'll declare a constant person and it will be an object like name will be Robin, age 25, and then we'll log it in the console. So person dot name. Now we cannot run this. To run this we need to generate the JavaScript file. So how can we generate the JavaScript file? There are few ways to generate it. Now the first one is make sure to use the command prompt, and here navigate to the folder or the directory, and here we will run tsc app.ts. Now if we run this command, here you can see a new file has been generated, app.js. Now let's go to here and you can see that this is the same code, this one. Now ignore this error. For now let's run this now. To run a JavaScript file, we will run this command node app.js. Now you can see that this Robin is logged here. Now let's delete this JS file app.js. Now I will generate the JS file with a different name. Now to generate with different name, we will run tsc-app.ts and then we will specify that out file. It will be suppose main.js, and if we run this, and then you can see a file named main.js here. Now we can run the JavaScript code. So node main.js, so you can see this is working fine. Now to run this command is very tedious thing. You can also add a tsconfig file here to generate the JS file for us. So let's remove this main.js. Now let's add a new file here. We'll call it tsconfig.json. Now this will be an object, and first we will need to specify the compiler options. The target, we will target ES5, and then we will specify the out file, which will be main.js, and we will also set the strict mode to true, and the source file we'll have to provide the array, and in this array we will add this app.ts. Now let's save this. Now if you change anything here like 30, it doesn't matter. Let's save this, and now we just need to write only tsc command and it will generate the specified file name here. You can see. Now if we change this like put a different name and save this. Now if we run tsc command, this file will be overwritten. So if we go to main, you can see the name has been changed. If we run node main.js, you can see the updated value is logged in the console. Well, that's it for this first video. In the next video, we'll talk about various types that are available in TypeScript, like string, number, object, array, enum. See you in the next video.